What's up, everyone? I keep playing the last day on Earth survival. Where did I stop last time? And I just increase my health, which is I eat some berries to increase my health and some more. Yeah, that's it. And I was stopped at last time on one event and trying to get the boxes what they got on that boxes. That's one of my point, and worst part is for me right now is I forgot that which is my current mission. That's worst one. I know, but it's still okay. I can manage it. I will manage it to find out what was my current mission. So first let me see what's in this box. Okay, that's cool stuffs. One cleaver and one chopper. Well, okay, come to papa. Yes. Alright, good one. Okay, kill, good kill. Another one. Okay, good one. Rope taking. Alright, so let's see this one. Okay, one more, and now I need to return to base and find out is there any other event before my weapon broke down. And also I need to make my cloth, because it's so much wasting for my health, which is right after the attack from the zombies, getting attacked from the zombies. So I need to get some clothes if I have enough materials to build it. Okay, see how. So where I was, let me check it out. I believe that zombie horde is already, yeah, exactly as I said, as I think. Zombie horde was already there. Ah, my puppy. What can I do with him? Nothing. Alright. Okay, seems like nothing much happens. That's good. Okay, let me wear the shoes and pack some of the items. Which one I can put it back? Alright, right now here nothing. This one. Okay. Bolts. Okay. And some. Alright. And what else? I think this one I put in the wrong place. Yeah. Okay. What else should we check? Let me check this one. Okay, nothing much here too, but okay, empty cane box, ropes. Box. I don't know what this box is for, but maybe later I can find out. Right now, I really don't know what's that for. Alright, so far that's it, I guess. Now what should I do? Okay, let me check my. Alright, one of this and one of this. Alright, craft, and craft. Okay, so I'm going to get close. Seems like I cannot make it, but never mind. Let's see what can I do here. Okay, stones. I need stone, and I don't know. Oh, okay, seems like it's not enough. Limestone is enough, but I don't know, it's not enough. Okay, put it back. Let's go for another trip. Let's see what can I find this time. Alright, show me. Seems like it's quite far and I don't have transport. That's worst one. So I have to go to the nearest part. Okay, let me go there and see what can I do. Ah yes, let's try to get some berries before I get killed. Alright, and now here we go. Okay, let's go. Come over here. Okay, you too. Okay, let me open up. What can I find? Nothing much. Nothing much. Shit. Worst one is coming. Oh. Seems like this one is a bit different then. Okay, let's see what can I find here. Also nothing much. Okay, hold them all. So, okay, let me eat some berries. Shit. When did you arrive? Why you don't talk? Okay. Level up means good. Let's see. Shit. Wolf. Grey wolf. Damn. Not so good. I really need to take shower. I believe. I really need to take shower. Shit. How many of you here? Okay. Oh. Where's the other two? Wow. Alright. Leave. Leave and go to the base and take shower. Return to the base and run. See what can I do here. 1, 2, 3 weapon. One of them is almost broke. Okay. Replace this one. Enter. Wow. Shoes almost gone, and see what he says. After you eat something and video will be start later, because right now I don't have something to give you. That's shit. How I'm going to take shower? Alright, shower, iron, wood, and where's iron? Iron. Alright. In the wood. Yeah, here you go. Alright, let me put this one on the side. Okay. Come here. That's it. Now allow me to take shower. Okay. Use it. What can I say? And this one, 3, 10. Not enough, but still okay. Let me figure out. Put back the empty bottle, water, and the rope, and the skin as well. Remove skin and wires. Okay, that's it. Okay, here you go.